Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of a beastly machine that promises to elevate your computing experience. The Lenovo Laptop with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a whopping 1TB PCIe SSD. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, we've got everything covered. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your current laptop or just curious about this model, stick around because this video is for you. Let's start with the unboxing. Lenovo has always been known for its thoughtful packaging, and this laptop is no exception. As we open the box, we are greeted with the laptop itself, safely nestled in protective foam. Alongside it, we have the user manual, a 65W power adapter, and some warranty information. The first thing you'll notice when you hold this laptop is its solid build quality. The chassis is made of a premium aluminum finish that not only looks sleek but also feels durable. It's a perfect blend of style and sturdiness. Now, let's talk design. Lenovo has opted for a minimalist aesthetic with this model, featuring clean lines and a matte finish. The 15.6-inch display is framed by narrow bezels, giving it a modern look and maximizing screen real estate. The hinge mechanism feels robust, allowing you to open the laptop with one hand effortlessly. The keyboard is another highlight. Lenovo's keyboards are often praised for their tactile feedback and comfortable layout, and this one is no different. The keys are backlit, making it easy to type in low-light conditions. The trackpad is spacious and responsive, supporting multi-touch gestures seamlessly. Moving on to the display. This laptop features a full HD IPS panel with excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or working on presentations, the visuals are crisp and vibrant. The brightness levels are adequate for most environments, though outdoor visibility can be a bit challenging under direct sunlight. When it comes to audio, the built-in speakers deliver clear and balanced sound. They won't replace your dedicated speakers or headphones, but for casual listening and video calls, they do a decent job. The Dolby audio enhancement further improves the audio experience by providing richer soundscapes. Performance is where this Lenovo laptop truly shines. Powered by a high-performance Intel Core i7 processor, paired with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, it handles multitasking with ease. You can run multiple applications simultaneously, without any noticeable lag. For those who need to perform more intensive tasks like video editing or 3D rendering, this laptop won't disappoint. The 1TB PCIe SSD ensures that you have ample storage space for all your files and projects, while also significantly reducing load times. Applications launch almost instantly, and file transfers are remarkably fast. This makes a huge difference in productivity, especially if you're dealing with large files regularly. Gamers will appreciate the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. It provides a smooth gaming experience for most modern titles at medium to high settings. While it might not be the best choice for hardcore gamers who demand ultra settings, it strikes a good balance for casual and mid-level gaming. The thermal management system also deserves a mention. Lenovo has incorporated an efficient cooling solution that keeps the laptop from overheating, even during extended gaming sessions. The fans can get a bit noisy under heavy load, but it's a small trade-off for the performance you get. In terms of connectivity, this laptop offers a comprehensive array of ports. On the left side, we have a USB-C port, an HDMI port, and a headphone/mic combo jack. On the right, there are two USB 3.1 ports and an SD card reader. This ensures that you have plenty of options for connecting peripherals and external devices. Wireless connectivity is also top-notch, with support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard and Bluetooth 5.0. This translates to faster internet speeds and more reliable connections. With your wireless accessories, battery life is a crucial factor for any laptop, and this Lenovo model performs admirably in this regard. On a full charge, you can expect around 8 to 10 hours of mixed use, which includes web browsing, streaming, and productivity tasks. This makes it a great companion for on-the-go professionals and students who need a reliable machine throughout the day. Charging is quick and efficient, thanks to the included 65W power adapter. You can get from 0% to about 80% in just under an hour, ensuring minimal downtime. Lenovo has equipped this laptop with Windows 11, offering a fresh and intuitive user experience. The new Start menu, improved virtual desktops, and enhanced multitasking capabilities make it a pleasure to use. Additionally, Lenovo's Vantage software provides easy access to system updates, performance tuning, and hardware diagnostics. Security is also well addressed, with a built-in fingerprint reader for quick and secure logins. This adds an extra layer of protection to your personal data and makes accessing your laptop more convenient. In conclusion, the Lenovo laptop with 16GB RAM and 1TB PCIe SSD is a formidable machine that excels in both performance and design. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual gamer, this laptop offers a balanced mix of power, storage, and portability. While it has a few minor drawbacks, they are easily outweighed by its strengths. So, is this the right laptop for you? If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance machine that can handle a variety of tasks with ease, the answer is a resounding yes. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.